In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your device. If you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-up and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. As you can see, my recording is here. To manage it, click on it and use all of those options that can be accessed by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also go back, hold your recording here and use all of those, like rename, choose OK to save it, or delete. Click on Delete in the pop-up to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!